Guys, so I am about to do a quick get ready with me. This is my quick little vacation look. I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you guys what I'll be using. Super quick, super easy, super vacation appropriate. So I have my edge control and my edge brush from the Luxury collection, and I'm gonna be slicking these edges back, and then I'm going to be basically just color correcting right around my eyes here. This is going to help with that discoloration under my eyes and on my eyelids. That's pretty much all I'm going to use this on because it's kind of hot here. So, and we're gonna be wearing masks, so there's no point in putting anything on here. I already put on a moisturizer. It's called an oil-free moisturizer. I actually got it from Dollar Tree, but it's working, you know? It's not greasy, but I look moisturized. So I did that first. I'm gonna put on a little bit of sunscreen in just a second, and then go in with the color correcting with the powder, which I use the powder instead of the liquid because I don't like that melting feeling on my face. Usually I would use my Too Faced Do You, and I still brought it just in case it wasn't as hot, but it's humid. It's not hot like 100 degrees, but it's humid, which would make you sweat fast. So it's no point in using a liquid. I'm just gonna use a little powder around here, powder on my nose. And then, now this is my Revlon Colorstay powder. I've hit the pan in it, as you can see, but it's great for little touch-ups like this and for setting liquid makeup as well. And my color is 410 Cappuccino. The edge control that I use, this says Edge Booster, but I actually ran out of the edge booster and I scooped out some of my edge edge control, I think that's what it's called, and put it in here. And then I'm going to be using my Milani blush today. I haven't been using this blush lately because this is a cream blush, but I'm gonna put just a little bit on today since I'm not putting on any foundation or anything. Just gonna brush a little of that on. Then I'm going to pop on my Luxury collection lashes that I have here. And these are my favorite style. So check these out on my website for sure. These are the best style. They're not too long, not too short, very wispy. Definitely looks like individuals once you put them on. So that's what I'll be wearing. I will be using a wet beauty blender. I didn't wet it with water this time. I just wet it with my setting spray so that my makeup will last a little longer. And then last but not least, well, two things before I just speed it up. I also have my lash grip, which I lost the top to, of course, like I do all the time. That's what I'll be putting my lashes on with. And the perfume that I'll be wearing today is going to be my Calvin Klein. This is called Euphoria Blossom, and y'all, it smells so good. If rich and sexy, oh, I'm about to spray some on now. If rich, sexy, sweet, and spicy all was in one bottle, it would be this, okay? And as you can see, she's almost gone. So keep on watching. I'm just gonna speed through this part so you can see what it looks like once I'm done. I don't have a mirror right here, so I'll pretty much just be looking at you guys and using my compact mirror. Okay, so the name has rubbed off. I don't know what brand name this is. I'm sorry, y'all. But it is in the color warm brown, if that helps. And it's just a brow gel like this, like a mascara wand. And I just put it in my brow. And oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder on my eyebrow bone and my tear duct. This is a tapered highlighting brush, which I love for things like this. If I said it already, but this is my Milani. It's called it's in the color 140 Merlot Moment Cheek Kiss Cream Blush. That's what it says here. So the lip liner that I'm going to be using is by LA Colors. It's called the Auto Eyeliner, and that's because it scrolls out. Ooh, I'm at the end. This is the last of it. But yeah, it does scroll in and out. I have another one that's like a regular pencil, but that's just my backup. And then I'm going to be using my Wildberry Drench Victoria's Secret flavored lip gloss. Using your camera to do makeup is really hard. So if y'all see mistakes that I don't see, I'm sorry, but it's different when you use a camera as a mirror. But this is the end look. I hope you guys like it. Really quick, no foundation, just a little bit of powder, blush, highlighter, as you saw. If you want to know what products I use, feel free to ask me, even though I showed you guys already. Feel free to ask anything you would like to know about my products. I love this little cream blush touch. So cute, really gives me some color, really brightens me up. Let's see what it looks like in natural light.